So this here is my sketch of a financial statement, income, and I'll show you the statement of cash flow, balance sheet. My first investment was an $18,000 unit in island of Maui. I wish I'd kept it. But back then, it was a lot of money, 18,000 bucks. So I put $2,000 down, 10% down, so I put it on my credit card. So I bought my first property. And since then, I just kept investing, made a lot of mistakes, lost some money, made some money, but I got smarter. So today, let me explain how I make my money. So let's say I have a business. So let's say it's a Rich Dad business here. It's an asset to me. And let's say it puts money here, income. And let's say let's keep the numbers, it's $1 million. If I just keep that money, the first line item expense is tax. So let me show you the tax consequences here. If I make $1 million as an employee, I'm going to pay 40% in taxes. So $400,000 goes to taxes. If I'm a doctor or a lawyer or a small falafel shop owner, I make $1 million, I'm going to pay 60% in taxes. So $1 million here, I'm going to pay $600,000 in taxes. If I make money here as a Rich Dad company or a big business, I'm going to pay 20% or $200,000. And as a professional inside investor, zero. So let me tell you how I go from 20% to 0% here in taxes. And this is true all over the world. So the way it works is, here's $1 million. If I do nothing, and let's say I'm an employee, they're going to take $400,000 right off the top here. So what I do instead, as for real estate comes in, I borrow $4 million. So I have $4 million in debt here. So I take the property up, borrow 4, that gets my real estate, this is real estate here, it's now 5 million. So let me explain this to you. 1 million, borrow 4, it becomes 5 million. And because it's $5 million, I get to appreciate, depreciate, and amortize this, not that. And because this has so many losses to it, 0 tax. But you need a good accountant and all that stuff. There's a book called Tax-Free Wealth by Tom Wheelwright. Tax-Free Wealth by Tom Wheelwright. And my partner, Ken McElroy, he has 3 books, ABCs of Real Estate Investing. He has ABCs of Property Management and Advanced Guide to Finance. This is the Advanced Guide. So let me repeat again. I make $1 million here. I called Kenny up, my partner. I said, Kenny, I need $4 million. That means he has to find something that we can borrow $4 million against. And once we have $4 million, it steps up the basis of the property to $5 million. And there are the tax laws, and this is true all over the world. You appreciate, depreciate, amortize it, 0 tax. All that money comes into my pocket. Thank you very much, government. Okay, so that's the power of financial education.